and welcome to Enterprise University. In the first part of this exercise, we will learn how to manage contacts. To find our contacts, go to the CRM module and click on the Contact menu and select Find Contacts. The Find Contact form or dashboard will display. From here, we will find our contact files grouped into several tabs: Entities, Personal, and Inactive. In the first part of the Import Contact exercise, we created two new contact files for the supplier, Three Little Pigs Construction. We can find it in the supplier contact list. We can choose to manage our contacts from here, or we can go over to the supplier entity and manage contacts from there. To get to the supplier, go to the supplier module and click on the suppliers menu. Then, select Find Suppliers. A list of suppliers is displayed. Double-click on the supplier in the list to select. The supplier form will display. In the Contacts tab, double-click on the contact to display its information in the Main Contacts tab. This tab holds the contact information, and below it are the supplementary tabs for managing the contacts. We will add some information for our contacts and assign the manager or the contact that is in charge of the other. We will assign default contacts for the entity, in this case, the supplier. Switch to the Setup tab and you will find additional fields where you can assign your contacts to. We can also build a hierarchy of contacts to indicate if the supplier contacts has contacts with other entities such as customer or other contacts. To demonstrate, go to the Relations tab. The three contacts we have for the supplier is already included. We want to note that the supplier is also a prospect customer. We will link the prospect customer file to the supplier. To do this, right-click on the supplier, select Add Sibling, then select Customer. The list of customers and prospects is displayed. Select the prospect file related to the supplier. This will create a node that is the same level as the supplier. We can also add important notes about a contact. In the Contacts tab, double-click on the contact to display his information in the Main Contacts tab. Then, in the Notes tab, click on the ellipsis button inside the title column to display the notes form. Here, we can see our notes and save it in this tab. Apart from modifying the information, we can also manage the contact activities and cases, email correspondence, notes and documents, and link opportunities and wave activities. We will go on to managing activities for this contact. Click on the Activities tab to display the option to create and manage activities. We will discuss activity management in detail in the Activities lesson. From the Toolbar option in the Activities tab, click on the New Activity option. The activity form will display. In this example, we will create a new call activity. Let's save and close this to go back to the Activities tab. All activities linked to the contact will appear in this list. You can view the activities in a calendar or other views by clicking on the buttons from the toolbar. Additional options are available when we right-click on an activity. Let's say we tried calling the contact twice but there was no answer. We will send an email to the contact. Click on the Email tab to display options to send and receive email. We will discuss email management in detail in the email and fax lesson. From the toolbar option in the Email tab, click on the New option, then select Mail Message. The email message window will display. Notice that the contact email address is displayed in the To field. You can change this or add email recipients. We'll quickly send an email to our contact by clicking on the Send option. We can add documents related to a contact. It may be a document we sent or receive from them or just any kind. To do this, go to the Documents tab, click on the ellipsis button inside the File Name column, then select the option to attach the document from our computer. Browse and select the file to attach. Then add a description. After making all the necessary changes to the contact information, you can choose from any one of the saving options. Thank you for watching. In the second part of this exercise, we will learn how to create and manage meeting activities.